Alright guys, I don't really show this part of the Homelab, but we have a mess in this corner, and so I want to organize this into a cool rack shelving system right now, because we need to clean this up. Okay, and right here I have the Atlas rack, which we are going to put together and kind of walk through that today to hopefully try to clean up some of this mess. And these are some of the most affordable heavy-duty racks I could find on the internet. And so right here, this is the Atlas shelving rack that you can see some specs on, but essentially it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves. It even looks like you can, 2 ways to configure each product. So maybe we can do a split rack as well. That's actually pretty cool. Didn't know that. Let me turn this down so you can see that better. I didn't actually know you could do that, so that's actually pretty cool. And then adjust the sizes on it. So we're gonna kind of mess with this and put this together and see what configuration we kind of like, but I didn't even know you could do that actually. Okay, so what's kind of interesting about this is it's actually like a toolless design. So you have all your little slots, and then like the shelving pieces have these little rack cutouts, and then they just push together. And then if you stack 2 of these on top of each other, you'll just put one between the bottom hole and then the other piece between the top hole. So you essentially need no tools at all to put this all together. So we're gonna try to configure this in a couple ways because I have some ideas, and see how we wanna set this up in the office. Okay guys, it's a little hard to capture in this little room, but boom, here it is. This rack has cleaned up this office space so well, and it used no tools. So I just wanted to cover what this Atlas rack did, and honestly I think it's a great bang for buck. But essentially you have little tool holes like this where you just push in the holes and then you push it down, and then you have things like the actual shelving units just sit down in your rack right here on these little lips. So they make it really easy to set up. It's completely toolless, and it does come with 5 shelves. But in my case, because I have the power panel back there on the back wall, I could only fit 4. And then I just put the extra board up here in the top, just sitting on top of the other, so I can use it at a later date when I need it, or if I switch office spaces, which I plan to do sometime next year. So super awesome setup. It made this Homelab area and our shelving look incredible. So let me know what you guys think about the updates down in the comments now that all our clutter and disaster in the background of our videos is done. Okay guys, I wanted to thank Atlas Shelving for sending these out to me, and you can check them out down below in the description. But I was already in the market for some shelves to clean up my office. These guys have just happened to reach out to me, and honestly, for the price, I think they're really solid, and they have plenty of options that you can go check out on their website. So let me know if you have any plans to update your Homelab or reorganize it because you had a clutter like I did before, down in the description, because I definitely needed the help. So again, I really appreciate them sending these out to me. And if you guys would like to even pick these up locally to yourself, I know they also sell these at Tractor Supply. So thank you for watching. My name is Abe, signing off with another video.